now we're going to go into H&M, and the lift there is a standard lift, and there was actually no need to use my new house key to unlock the lower ground floor because it had already been left unlocked. That is so totally secure. And now go along into Waterstones and into another stupid generic lift. Now we're going to go into a really nice shopping centre which has a totally awesome 1990s capacitive Schindler M series. Yes! But it's had these inside buttons replaced with stupid Dewhurst! Ah! But at least the outside buttons are still original capacitive Schindler M series, which is really nice. Let's take a look at it.
Doors closing.
Now going into a sort of weird sort of lanes part of Guildford, and there I found an awesome 1970s gated lift. Yes! And guarding this lift there is a fake security camera. I'm so totally scared of this camera. Wow, it looks so totally genuine. And it refused to move, which is really annoying. It took me quite a while to actually find out how to get this lift going. And the reason why it didn't move is the switch that connects the safety circuit on the inner door is rather dodgy. to another shop which has another trinette and another staff only floor. Now that is all of the lifts in Guildford, so now we go to the university.